What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the exciting world of checkout grocery stores, where you get to be both shopper and cashier. Talk about multitasking. No more waiting in long lines desperately trying to remember which line moved faster the last time you were here. You are the master of your checkout destiny. This is the custom-made self-checkout shopping cart. With it, you can now shop throughout the store while scanning your items, weighing your items, and then when you're done, you can just swipe your card, pay, and walk right out of the store without waiting in any lines or dealing with any cashiers. Guys, while this is cool, while this is a very neat option for the shopper to have, just think of it on this side. The automation here is now taking away a job of a cashier. This is now someone in the United States that no longer is offered this type of job. Although yes, you might think of it as low wage, low work type of an income type of work that, oh well, nobody really does it. Hey, there are people that are cashiers that do this as a career, that have made a career out of being a cashier, and that love it, and that have whole ecosystems around them being cashiers and dealing with people. And it's, you can't just overlook certain jobs and say, well, let's just compute it, make it a computer system. Like, you know, everybody isn't a programmer. Every job is necessary. So while yes, it's a convenience, while yes, it's cool that there's automation now and certain things can be automated to be faster, be more efficient, we have to also think that these were once jobs that people had and they paid for their children to go to school. So, you know, let's not just be so quick to jump to automation, but let's also think of the human side, that someone's losing a job. In conclusion, I do think technology has a place in our society. However, when it comes down to it taking over a sector of jobs, I think that's where we have skewed the lines. Thanks for watching, guys, and take care.